Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another vlog. So earlier today, I actually got COVID tested. My results come back in like 72 hours or something like that. And look at all this baby hairs. My top is from Amazon. They're just super comfortable to wear. So I will leave a link to it down below. I've been like loving my hat look lately. Or maybe not. Okay, so I need to stay focused. I wanted to show you guys this cool new mascara actually. It's by a brand called Mellow Way. I only have sunblock and concealer on. This is the primer, but what's cool about it is it's like bendy, so you pull it out and then it bends like that, which I thought was kind of cool. We're just gonna try the primer out and then the mascara. Ooh. Okay, I look kind of scary because I don't have any color on my lashes, but that's the primer on. They have mint, they have brown, and they have black. I think I want to try the brown today because it's, I don't know. I mean, it's called Cherry Cola. Doesn't have a smell. The thing with primer is that my natural eyelashes are so dark that when I do primer and I miss a spot, it's so obvious. If I don't use waterproof mascara, my lashes tend to like fall down. Let's try black on the other eye. I like the black a lot. Wow, they make my lashes really separated and long, but I will say they're not curly. Let me show you guys what it looks like underneath. Look at those lashes. And I'm gonna put some Fenty gloss on. I'm obsessed with this gloss. Happy Monday. Today is a new day. I am just now getting ready. I have to do a kind of get ready with me TikTok video, but I just wanted to let you guys know my COVID test results came in this morning and it is negative. Skin update, it's looking a lot better. Still lots of scarring, some active zits, but a lot of it has gone down. Yeah, I mean, laying makeup down on top of this is still like very textured looking, but it's okay because it doesn't hurt as much. But anyways, so I need to get to work now, do a few errands today, and nothing really fun is happening this week, but I still thought I would vlog it, so yeah. So a beautiful little package came in from Dior Beauty. I'm gonna go ahead and open it with you guys. I've got 3 foundations. The Backstage Air Flash foundation. I've actually never tried this foundation. 302 looks so much darker than 301 and 304. But I think 301 makes the most sense because I wear shade 3W. Oh, that's actually a little bit, is that light? But I think when I tan, oh, actually that's kind of light. It looks so dark in the can. 304. Okay. I need to learn how to like not spray this all over me, but 301 looks like it'll match me the best. And then they gifted me with a beautiful little smudging brush. Ooh, this is the Dior Backstage Custom Eye Palette in 001 Universal Neutrals. Ooh, oh my gosh, this one is so colorful. This eyeshadow palette, oh, the packaging is so beautiful. The orange, stop. It's so pretty. Ooh. Oh my gosh, that is so beautiful. The lip glow oil. I'm just like feeling so like lucky to just be getting stuff like this. Like, oh my gosh, that's so nice. That is just so crazy to me. And honestly, this kind of stuff happens only because of you guys who watch my videos, who subscribe to my channels, who follow me on Instagram. Like, you guys' support literally is what makes this kind of stuff happen for me. And a lot of you guys are like, I love seeing you grow and all that stuff. I'm like, but that wouldn't happen if you guys weren't supporting me. So literally, thank you to Dior, of course, for all this stuff, but also thank you to you guys because you guys are awesome. Always supporting me, always just, you know, letting me live out my dreams, and I just really appreciate it. So, okay, I'm gonna eat some lunch now because I'm really hungry, but I hope you enjoyed this little mini unboxing. So I did a French mani and they look so cute. I know the white part's a little bit thick. This is what the other hand is looking like. I used a brush to clean it up and it looks so good. I really like how it turned out and I can't stop looking at my nails. I just got the cutest top from Amazon. Honestly, I've been wanting to rock a mesh shirt for so long, but a lot of them were like a marble print or just a little bit too funky. So I feel like this zebra print, perfect. The color is so cute. I just paired it with a tennis skirt just to try it on. But wow, I'm obsessed. But I want to wear it with like a vest, maybe a tank dress over. I have so many ideas. I will link it down below if you guys are interested in a top like this. I just did this makeup look and this outfit is like super 90s. But I really like it, so I thought I would show you guys. So I used the Dior Universal Neutrals in shade Platinum. The shimmer shadow is so pigmented. Just took it with my finger and a little brush, and like I did it 2 times, and like it's this pigmented. For the outer corner, I just did a black, this one's called matte black, smoky eye kind of situation, and then I just put on a pair of false lashes. This isn't my real hair, this is by I&H. It's the Lola ponytail. Okay guys, so I'm parked in here near the Pretty Little Thing office in Los Angeles. It's my first time going to an event since COVID. I am a little bit nervous. I know it's going to be social distance. I know that we RSVP'd ahead of time. I wanted to give you guys a heads up. Like, I'm totally not for being irresponsible at all, so I don't even know if I should put this portion of the vlog in, but I'm going to be wearing 2 masks the whole time. Even though it's a food event and we're going to be eating and stuff, I'm personally not going to eat anything. I'm going to try and ask if I can take things to go because I just don't feel comfortable eating. The thing is, this is part of my job, and so at one point or another I'm gonna have to go outside and go to events and stuff like that. But I guess this one for me is just like a feeler to see if the events are safe, to really see it out. You guys know I got tested negative for COVID. I probably will try and get tested again after this, just to make sure I'm being safe and everything like that. I know that they are taking necessary precautions because they wouldn't open up a space like this if they weren't, knowing that there's people from all over that they're asking to come. So I just want you guys to keep that in mind. And I still have a few minutes and stuff. I'm gonna pay for my parking, check my phone, and do all that stuff, and then I'll probably head in just a little bit. Okay, so I'm here. I don't know if you guys can hear me. Do you want to be in the vlog? So Brooke invited me to come and shop and hang out and have some burgers. But we're gonna go look at some product. It's so good to be at an event for like, it's been literally months and so long. Yeah, and we both are negative for COVID. We both got tested, we're both negative, so we're still being safe. I've got 2 masks on under here, so we're being safe, but I'm excited to shop. Let's do this. Whoa, it's like really pink.
It's PLT, baby.
I love it. Thank you very much. Okay, so I just finished up. It was really quick, in and out. Got my umami burger and my clothes for PLT. Yeah, I'm so excited just to eat. I'm so hungry. I haven't had anything to eat. But everyone was so nice there. Everything was super social distance. I didn't take my mask off once. I didn't eat anything there. That's why I'm taking the food to go. Probably gonna eat in the car. But it was just so good to see someone after so long and everything. Let's head to the car and not get run over. I'm actually gonna have a few bites of my burger because I'm really hungry and I haven't had anything to eat. Fries, yay. PLT always has the best food. Let's take a bite of this burger. Look at this burger. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, it says Pretty Little Thing right here. I just got a cheeseburger. And then I brought my water.
let's head home.